This came in the post yesterday. Yep, it's bamboo. Hello everyone, welcome to Marky Big Smoke. Thanks very much for joining me, really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be planting bamboo. This is a clump forming variety, Semi-arundinaria fastuosa. And it's come in a big pot, and I'm going to divide it up into 4 smaller plants, and I'm going to make a space over there to plant it so that it forms a screen. So we just about managed to get that out of the pot without breaking the pot, which is a tough plastic tub, about 30 litres. I think that's brilliant. I can reuse that tub for something else. In the meantime, we've got a little ant's nest, and I think they're trying to move out. Move out, soldier! Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this root ball in half, straight down the middle, and then we're going to cut each half into half again, so we've got 4 bamboo plants out of 1. That took a lot of doing, getting through that hard root ball in the middle. Now we're going to try and cut it into quarters. There you go everyone, an hour later we've now got 4 individual bamboo plants. You're supposed to sit the top of the root ball lower than the soil in the surrounding areas, so we'll have to see about that. Welcome back. We've finally got all 4 new bamboo plants made out of that one original into the space that I dug out for it earlier, and as you can see, the tops of the bamboo, actually the base of the bamboo is just below where the top soil level will be, and that's exactly what we're supposed to do apparently. I am going to trim off a lot of these lower leaves and branches to show the nice thick bamboo canes. I'm going to trim off some dead wood as well. We've got some dead canes to trim off as well, and we've got to fill that up with soil, and we'll give it a really good drink, and then I'll bring you back when it's all trimmed up. There we go, 4 bamboo plants out of 1. That is going to make a nice screen down this side of this pathway here, this ramp, and more importantly from the other side of the house where we sit, it will screen off the view to sheds and houses that we don't want to see. And as you can see, I've trimmed off all the lower leaves just for the effect of the bamboo canes. There you go guys, nice bamboo screen, 4 plants out of 1, which enabled us to make the screen stretch long ways instead of being in one clump. Very good value for money. I hope you enjoyed that bamboo propagation exercise. Maybe I'll bring you back in a couple of years time and show you how it's getting on. I've given it a good water, and we're definitely going to get value for money out of that one plant, and I'm hoping that it will like this spot. It's a nice sunny spot, and I'm hoping that these canes will turn red in the autumn. Keep the fingers crossed. Alright guys, if you like what you've seen today, please give me a quick thumbs up, give me a comment down below. If you think that was a good tip, let me know. Thanks very much for watching guys, and I'll see you again soon on Marky Big Smoke. Cheers.